Tech Empire presents the top 5 best car vacuum in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 1, Black Plus Decker Max Flex Lithium. Black Plus Decker offers the least expensive car vacuum on this list, but it punched above its price and earned the top spot with outstanding performance. During our debris test, it had more than enough power to suck up dirt, crumbs, and grass on the first pass. During regular detailing, the flexible hose made it the most maneuverable vacuum on our list, and the best for reaching into all the nooks and crannies of our test car. Where it really surprised us, though, was the dreaded pet hair test, where the Max Flex Lithium performed on par with the more powerful, and more expensive, competition elsewhere on this list. Unfortunately, all that air getting sucked up has to go somewhere, and the exhaust here is positioned on the side of the vacuum, which can cause dust and pet hair to scatter if the filter isn't clean. Also, its motor is really loud. Time after time, we found ourselves drawn to the plucky little Black Plus Decker. It might not have the same versatility offered by the competition, but it excelled in the most important place, our cars. If you need a dedicated detailing companion, this car vacuum is up to the challenge. Number 2. Shark Wand Vac. The affordable Wand Vac was surprising too in a good way. As a car vacuum, it handles regular cleaning duties with ease. The attachments worked great in narrow spaces, and the attached brushes swiveled into place to protect more delicate surfaces. The Best in Test Value award comes from the optional attachments that turn the Wand Vac into a cordless upright vacuum. That makes it slightly more expensive than some car vacuums, but far less expensive than an upright. One drawback was the Wand Vac shape, which proved tricky to maneuver in tight spaces like footwells and floorboards. It's no more ungainly than a traditional cordless vacuum, but not quite as convenient as alternatives that use a hose to reach into the small spaces in your car's interior. It also struggled with large debris during our hands-on test. It eventually got the job done, it just took more passes than we expected. As tested, our Wand Vac costs about double what you'd pay for most car vacuums. So is the extra money worth it? We would argue that it is. The floor cleaning attachment and extension tube make this the most versatile option on our list, and it performed just as well around the house as it did in the driveway. If cost is a factor or you don't need all the available attachments, the basic package is more than enough for detailing your car. Number 3. ShopVac Classic 5-Gallon Workshop Wet/Dry Vacuum. A ShopVac might be overkill for most car cleaning situations, but since when is that a bad thing? Our test ShopVac generated big-time suction, and the massive collection bin was big enough to hold more dirt than we ever want to see in our car. We found the short power cord to be the main setback, an extension cord is mandatory. The bucket also wasn't convenient in spite of its wheels, but the long hose made up for it. That's a small sacrifice to get this kind of cleaning power. Ours also came with several car detailing accessories including tiny nozzles and brushes designed for seat crevices, air vents, and all those tiny cracks where interior surfaces meet. It made quick work of car cleaning duty, and can earn its keep in plenty of other instances around the garage and workshop. Number 4. Vissel Garage Pro. This powerhouse is similar to the renowned ShopVac, but mounts directly to the wall, so the canister is never in the way. Instead, the 32-foot hose lets you chase down all those stubborn pockets of dirt in your car. It's also a wet/dry vacuum, so you can clean up non-toxic spills in your garage quickly and efficiently, then empty the 4-gallon bucket when you're done. Attachments for hard floors, carpet interiors, and narrow cracks are included. Airflow can also be reversed to blow out your garage or dust off your car without risking scratches. Because the vacuum needs to be hard-mounted to a wall, it becomes a semi-permanent appliance and can't be used outside your garage. If you do all your cleaning at home, that shouldn't be a problem. Number 5. Shark Navigator S2. A full-size home vacuum like the Shark Navigator S2 wouldn't be our first choice for car cleaning duty, but this will certainly get you by in a pinch. The flexible hose is long enough to reach most of your car's interior, but we found the main body cumbersome, prone to knocking into the car's doors, and significantly limiting in terms of maneuverability. The need to stay plugged in also required us to do all our detailing within reach of a wall outlet. On the other hand, the full-size electric motor generates more than enough suction, and you'll have no problem removing dirt, grass, and even gravel from your car's interior. If you need to do all your work with one vacuum, this is definitely a viable option.